Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to determine if a Steam game will function correctly on your PC. Whether you are an experienced player or just starting out, verifying compatibility before you download a game is a smart move. To begin, launch the Steam application. This is your primary tool for managing your library. If you do not have it yet, you can download the client directly from the official website. Once the application is running, the next step is to sign in. Locate the login option on the home screen and click it. If this is your first time or you are on a different computer, ensure your account details are ready. Input your account name and password carefully, as this is necessary to access your games and personal preferences. Once your credentials are typed in, click the Sign In button to continue. You will soon be on your Steam homepage. From this central location, you have many options, but we will focus on finding a specific title. Head over to the Store tab located at the top of the interface. This section contains a massive library of games and content for you to explore. Browse the selection and click on a game that interests you. After the page opens, scroll down to find the System Requirements section. This part is vital because it details the minimum and recommended hardware needed to run the title. To check your own computer's specifications for comparison, click on Help in the Steam menu and select System Information. This will trigger a window that provides a full breakdown of your hardware and software capabilities. Take this data and compare it to the requirements you found on the game's store page. It is best if your system meets or surpasses both the minimum and recommended specs to ensure a smooth experience without lag. Now you are prepared to make an informed choice about your next purchase. Checking compatibility is a quick but essential step for a seamless experience. Enjoy your gaming adventures.